An understanding of your trends to adjust your nutrition and medication.
Come to Badger Sign on Wednesdays, or casual ASL chats on Thursdays, and you'll see UW-Madison's signing community is growing. That's thanks in part to one important senior, Heaven Williams. This is her sign name. Why? Because she's got good vibes. She says creating Badger Sign meant more to her than just ASL practice. The real impact is community. Heaven isn't the only one who felt a natural pull to the language. Tallulah Hayes may be hearing, but she too fell in love with ASL and deaf culture. She says signing helps her speak her mind in a way English can't.
He lives in the same building where my wife lives, at the community center. Remember the community center across the old library? Oh, right. Yeah, you can take a pick one day or something.
But you don't always have to have an emotional reason. Carly Lane, a freshman at UW, learned sign because she thought it looked cool. Learning ASL, even if it's just the alphabet, is an important step we can take to bridge the gap between hearing and deaf communities on campus. If there's one message you take away from today, ASL professor Taylor Koss wants this to be it. So, how exactly should you interact with the deaf community if you don't know ASL? Speak to a deaf person just like how you would talk to a hearing person, clearly with your own natural pace and expression. Don't make it difficult to lip read, and certainly don't give up. Your efforts will help make this world a better place for everyone. Reporting in Madison, Bella Ferak, Badger Herald.